We at Creative Customizing are what you refer to as a one-stop decoration shop. And we qualify as a one-stop decoration shop because we virtually offer every decoration process there is for printing garments and other products. Now, the most popular decoration process in the apparel printing industry is screen printing. And screen printing is really revolving around orders that are larger, 12 or more, with a few amount of colors. And that is because each color in the design, we must burn and print a different screen. Screen printing has a large amount of setup, with the actual materials being kind of cheap. And that is why the price comes down to how many colors are in the artwork and how many total pieces are being printed. Screen printing in the grand scheme of things is called stencil printing. We make a stencil using a screen and emulsion in what is referred to as a film positive with the artwork. We expose it, also known as burning the screen, and then we can put ink on the screen and pull the ink through the stencil to then go onto the garment. Screen printing is by far the most popular way that apparel products are printed, and will always be that way because the material costs are so low, but it again is not very friendly to smaller orders with a large amount of colors. Now next, we're going to go check out the embroidery department. Behind me, we have a couple different embroidery machines, and embroidery is unlike any printing process because we're not using ink, but instead we are using thread. If you look at the quarter zip I'm wearing right now, this has been embroidered. The two machines behind me are what you call single head machines, which allows us to do very low run orders of 6 or less, depending on the artwork and what exactly we're doing. Now, we offer over 100 different threads to choose from, and you can also request custom colors for an extra fee. Before we can sew a design onto a product, we first must digitize the artwork, which revolves around us taking the artwork and creating a digital file so the machine knows where and how many stitches to sew to create that design. Again, embroidery is unlike any other printing process, but is extremely popular in the printing industry or the decoration industry, and odds are you have many products in your closet that are embroidered. Embroidery primarily revolves around polos, jackets, quarter zips, hats, and bags. Next, we're going to go over to our digital printing processes and show you how those work. Behind me, we have the digital printing process referred to as direct-to-garment printing. Direct-to-garment printing is referred to as DTG because we put a shirt onto a platen that then the ink goes right over the shirt and prints directly onto the fabric. Now, DTG has the limitation of having to be printed only onto 100% cotton fabrics. It uses a water-based ink that is not friendly to 100% polyester and other moisture-wicking materials, typically that are synthetic. Direct-to-garment printing is the cheapest, no minimum decoration process we offer, but can only be used to print onto 100% cotton white shirts. Another popular decoration process that we use is sublimation printing. Now, sublimation printing can be used to print both fabric and hard good products. We primarily use it to print a wide range of hard good products such as mugs, water bottles, puzzles, photo panels, mouse pads, and a lot of other things. Sublimation is a lot like direct-to-garment printing in the fact that it is a digital printing process that uses CMYK inks, cyan, yellow, magenta, and black, to create a full color image that we can then heat press onto a wide range of products using a different range of heat presses. Sublimation is the act of going from a solid to a gas back to a solid. So we print a transfer using a sublimation printer, paper, and ink, just like your laser or inkjet printer at home, but it's designed to transfer the design onto these wide range of products. The last decoration process that we offer is referred to as direct-to-film printing. Direct-to-film printing is the latest and greatest apparel printing process. And just like direct-to-garment and direct-to-film, it uses CMYK inks to print full-color images. Now it's called direct-to-film printing because we print directly onto a film that then gets dried and then can be used to heat press onto a wide range of products. Now, what's different about direct-to-film versus sublimation and direct-to-garment? Direct-to-garment goes on to 100% cotton. Sublimation goes on to 100% polyester, whereas direct-to-film, the latest and greatest new digital printing process, can be used to print onto virtually any type of fabric. It has really changed the way the industry prints apparel products. If you have any questions about any of our decoration processes, please do not hesitate reaching out to us. Thank you.